How to rejoin a Discord server you left. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So say for example, you have a Discord server that you have left, but now you want to rejoin it. Say for example, this one right here. Let's go ahead and leave. Now, once you have left the Discord server, how can you rejoin it again? As you might know, on Discord, there's no history of the servers you were in. So the only way that you can get back to that server is if you have a invite link. For me, in my case, it's this link right here. So I will just click on it. And I will be able to rejoin the server. However, if you are not able to access the link just like I do right here, then it might be kind of hard, if not like impossible, to rejoin the server since you do not have an invitation to it. So the only thing that I can recommend is to look for the servers and try to search for it on on Google. There's like the Discord, I think it's called Discord website, where you can search for all the available servers. So I will even show you. Let me just go ahead and open up Discord. It's called this board right here. You can search for the servers right here, any server you want. Also, you can ask for the server owner to give you a invitation link, or if you know any group members, and unfortunately that's the only way to do so. There's no way for you to rejoin if you don't have an invitation link. And if there is any update available, I will make a video update to show you how to do it, but for now this is the only solution available, unfortunately. So that was it for this video. That's how you can rejoin a Discord server you left. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.